Hi, we are on Algebra 1, Lesson 1.2b. And this lesson is on two-step equations. So yesterday we reviewed one-step equations, and today we're starting with the basics, but I have a lot of vocab words. So I want to zoom in on this to write down definitions, and let me go through them. So they're not on the backboard. Let's just write them on my paper. Like terms, constants or terms with the same variable. So a constant, remember, is a number alone, and a term could have the same variable. Like, I remember I called them backpack. Constants are terms with the same variable. And I did an example. 2g plus 8g equals 10g. Next vocab word is combining like terms. That's where I'm putting together the things that are the same. So the constants are all the things that have an x, or all the things that have a y. Putting together the same terms. Distributive property. Multiply a number by both terms inside parentheses. So negative 4 times the quantity, x minus 9. Negative 4 times the quantity, x minus 9. The negative 4 gets multiplied by x, and the negative 4 gets multiplied by negative 9. Here's another one. X times the quantity x plus 2. X gets multiplied by x gets multiplied by 2. X squared plus 2x. All right, last one. Addition property of equality, subtraction property of equality, multiplication property of equality, division property of equality. You are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, whatever it says. What you do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other. Whatever you do to the left, you do to the right. And clearing fractions we're going to do tomorrow. Okay, so are you done with the vocab? I have some intro questions. We're not going to start with example 1 right there. That's too difficult to start off with. I want to do some basic. Can you go to the back side of your packet? And we're going to do problems. Like, leave room for these for another day. But here we go. I guess a couple spaces below. Two-step equations. So the first, this is a little how-to. You add or subtract the constants. A constant means a number alone first. Second step, you're going to multiply or divide to isolate the variable. So I have 3 problems that I want us to work on, okay? Just to make sure you know what you're doing. Here's the first one. 4m minus 5 equals 11. Okay. So, first step. Because yesterday we did all one-step equations. It was like straightforward. Do one thing, you're done. Here. First job, add or subtract to get the constants together. 5 and 11 are my constants. I have to get those together. Should I move the 11 over or should I move the 5 over?
The 5.
Why did you choose the 5?
You can only equal 4.
What? Isolate the variable. I'm trying to get m alone. Get rid of all the things that are on the same side as m. You're going to get rid of that 5. You're going to get rid of that 4. It's the only way to get m alone. So can you add 5 to both sides? Four m equals 16. Okay, now step 2. Multiply or divide to isolate the variable. What should I do? Divide by 4. Did you guys do this in junior high, these kind? Oh, look who's so smart. You are. Yeah. All right, fine. Let's put a negative in there. Negative 3d plus 10 equals 43. Constants. Put those together first. The 10 and the 43. You want to add 10 to both sides or subtract 10 to both sides? Subtract 10 to both sides. Negative 3d equals 33. Divide by negative 3. D equals negative 11. Last one you get to do by yourself. Negative 8 equals 3y minus 2. Work on it on your own. You need to be showing your work exactly as I am. I want the equal signs lined up. I want the adding, subtracting, dividing exactly as I do it. Check your answers with the people at your table, please. All right. Did you add 2 to both sides? Did you divide by 3 both sides? Yeah. Did you get negative 2 equals y?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Kewl. All right. Are we good? Move to the front side. All right. I have a couple things to write under the question. What if I gave you negative x equals 4? How could you quickly solve that?
Divide by negative 1.
Divide by negative 1. What's the answer going to be? Negative 4. How about if I gave you 3m equals 0 and I said solve? 3m equals 0.
M equals 0. Equals
M. I have to divide by 3. What does m equal? 3 or 0?
0.
Thank you. Okay, I just want to make sure you could do that. Here we go. This is a little bit harder because I've got a little combo. Combine like terms. Put the 7x minus 3x together first. 4x. And then write everything else just as it is. A minus 8, an equal sign, a 24. Now I have a two-step equation. So add 8 both sides. Right? 4x equals 32. So let's see, add 8 both sides, divide by 4 both sides. X equals 8. I ran out of space. Good. Don't just do not both sides. Do not. All right, try it by yourself. Combine like terms first.
The examples too.
No, you're doing try it right now. This.
Oh.
That's all you're doing right now. This try it.
I was on the second page.
Oh, I'm not there yet. You're doing the try it. Go.
Don't look at me.
Okay. What's the first thing that you guys did? Subtract 3x minus x. Good. 2x. I write the plus 15. I write the equal sign. I write the 41. Everything stays as is, but I just combined like terms. CLT, combine like terms. Now what? Minus 15. Okay. 2x equals 26. Subtract 15, both sides. And then what did I do? Divide by 2. Seem okay? Just a little bit more difficult than the first 3 on the back. All right. Turn it to example 2. All right, you have a parentheses. You need to distribute. This 3, please distribute that first. Because then I have to keep the 5x. That stays in front. But now, 3 times x.
3x.
And then 3 times 4. Okay? So now I'm going to combine like terms. What are the like terms? 5x plus 3x. Good job. 8x. So you put 8x plus 12 equals 28. Then what? So what do I do?
Minus 12.
Good. Subtract 12, both sides. 8x equals 16. How'd you get 2? So what'd you do to both sides? Yeah, that's it. And I'm totally out of space. X equals 2. Okay, try it on your own.
Oh, no.
Just this try, that's it. Check your answer with your people. Say, people, what'd you get? People, what'd you get? Did you guys get 15? Okay. Distribute the 3. It's a little too loud. Guys, remember, I'm still recording. So, the 3 gets distributed. Negative 3 times negative 2, be careful. A subtraction is the same as a negative. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. 4x take away 3x. It's just a singular x. Plus 6 equals 21. And then you subtracted 6. X equals 15. Okay? Good.